Step 1. Draw your horizon line across the middle of the page. Step 2. Add crosspoints at both ends of your horizon line. These will be the vanishing points in the horizon, where all your lines meet. Step 3. Draw your first line, which would be your closest or most central line of your building or object. Step 4. Draw one line from the top of your central line to one of the crosspoints. Then another line from the bottom of the central line to the same crosspoint. Step 5. Do the same on the other side with the other crosspoint. A useful tip: try and rotate your page to help draw these lines easily when drawing freehand. Step 6. Draw the end of your building lines. Draw a vertical line between the two top and bottom guidelines on each side. Now go over your main building lines, so that the shape of the building stands out from other guidelines on the page. Step 7. Now we will look at adding details such as windows to the building. Draw the first vertical line of the window at the most central part. Guidelines for the rest of the window needs to be drawn from the top and bottom of this vertical line to the right-hand side vanishing point. Now, do the same on the other side. Step 8. Continue adding vertical lines along the main, top and bottom guidelines, and following the steps to add adjacent buildings at different heights and depths. As you continue to do this, you will soon begin to form a whole landscape of buildings in two-point perspective. Remember to continuously go over your main building lines. This will ensure the building drawing stands out from the other guidelines. Please like, subscribe and comment if this has been useful for you.